He says, I am from above. How did he know? Why did he think that way? We read that he was born in a manger. We read that he was born of Mary. We read that he grew up as a little boy like everybody else. We read that he was hungry, that he felt sleepy and slept. We read it. He drank water. He ate food like others. He got tired. It's just like the Bible talks about Elijah when he says to us, Elijah was a man of like passions as we are. I love the way James put it. He said Elijah was a man of like passions as we are. In other words, Elijah felt like us. He wasn't any different. He felt like us. Then he says, but Elijah prayed. And when he prayed, the heavens were shut that there was no rain for 3.5 years. And then he prayed again, and the heavens gave rain, letting us know we could do what Elijah did. He said Elijah was just like us. Hallelujah. And that's what Paul is telling us now in the book of Hebrews, that Jesus was just like us. He says, he that sanctifies and they which are sanctified are all of one, for which cause he is not ashamed to call them brethren. He says, I and the children which God has given me. He says, verily he took not on him the nature of angels, but he took on the seed of Abraham. So Jesus was like Isaac. Can you see that? Jesus was like Isaac. He was like Jacob. He was like any of them. He was like you. You see that? That's the way it was. Wonderful. Awesome. 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 Thank God. Thank God. But he had a consciousness. Now, you know, I tried to define Christ for you earlier. And the subject is Christ consciousness. So what is consciousness? What is consciousness? Awareness. Awareness is the key word. Awareness. Awareness is a kind of knowledge. It is a special kind of knowledge. It is an at-homeness with something. You get it? A consciousness, an awareness. Awareness of your environment, awareness of your personality, awareness of your origin, your lineage. What are you aware of?